Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, if you are watching this video from Nigeria, then I do not have good news for you. According to the United Nations, the life expectancy in Nigeria is 55. The average life expectancy in Nigeria is the age 55, which is the third lowest in the world. So I bring you this. United Nations ranks Nigeria's life expectancy third world's lowest in 2019, worse than Syria. According to a new report by the United Nations, Nigeria is behind war-torn countries like Somalia and Syria, where life expectancy rates are better. The report also revealed that the fertility rate amongst Nigerian women has dropped from 6.4 in 1969 to 5.3 in 2018. The United Nations UN has said that Nigeria has the world's third lowest life expectancy rate at 55 years. In the United Nations new report on Monday, April 29, the United Nations Populations Fund said the life expectancy of the average Nigerian in 2019 is only better than those in countries like Sierra Leone, Chad, and the Central African Republic. Those countries, according to the United Nations report, have life expectancy of 53, 54, and 54 years respectively. War-torn countries have it better than Nigeria. Afghanistan has 65 years, Somalia has 58 years, whilst Syria has a whopping 73 years life expectancy. The report also stated that the fertility rate amongst Nigerian women has dropped from 6.4 in 1969 to 5.3 in 2018, meaning that an average Nigerian woman gives birth to at least 5 children. According to the report, child marriage in the country by age 18 is 44% high, while adolescent birth rates between the ages of 15 to 19 per 1,000 girls in the country is 145. The United Nations also revealed that the use of contraceptive by any method amongst Nigerian women aged between 15 to 49 is 19%, while the modern method used amongst women in the same age bracket is 15%. This is contained in the 2019 State of the World Population Report, which identifies Nigeria's growth rate as being at an average of 6.2% from 2010 to 2019. So there you have it, folks. The average age, the average life expectancy in Nigeria is the age 55. So if you live in Nigeria, then there's a good chance that you will only likely live up to the age 55. And you living up to the age 55, of course, is subject to you being able to dodge SARS, the armed robbers, the Malam Buhari agents, and the grueling state of the country. So the life expectancy in Nigeria is 55, the third lowest in the world, and that count included war-torn countries like Syria, and even Somalia ranks higher than us. Afghanistan, which is constantly being bombed, they live up to the age of 73. Nigeria, who they will tell you is a peaceful country, but if you live there you will tell them that it's not peaceful. But Nigeria, which they will tell you is a peaceful country, the life expectancy there is the age 55. So there you have it. Life expectancy in Nigeria, according to the United Nations. Now what says you? Life expectancy and the state of play in Nigeria. That's the subject of discussion of this video. So come have a chat with me about this in the comment section. But before you come have that chat with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well. That way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come have a chat with me about this new figures, this new data released by the United Nations in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Have that conversation with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.